What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see on the table today, we got a new device, guys. We got a new budget device, so I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna take a look at this thing. I was really curious about it. Cost me $200 on Samsung.com. Samsung A14, one of their budget devices. Definitely 5G. So let's just get into this unboxing. Okay, so as you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. White little box here. Got some heft to the box. I don't think there's no adapter in here, things of that nature. But the phone may have a premium little hefty little build to be a little $200 budget device. You never know. Just a cable, SIM ejector, nothing in the box, as per usual with devices these days. Now we got the device, and as you can see, this thing got some heft to it, guys. I was surprised. I thought this would feel a little lighter because it's just a little budget device, those $200 device, but it actually got a little heft to it. It feels like it might be actually something there. It feels like a canvas type material on the back, guys. Listen. It's like a canvas type material on the back. Just weird. Never seen a phone with this type of material on the back. No fingerprints though. I give it that. No fingerprints. As you can see, we got the triple camera setup. We got the fingerprint scanner on the side on the power button. I really like those fingerprint scanners, guys. I got that on my Z Flip 4. I really think those dope. Volume rocker, type C, and we got a headphone jack, guys. Nice budget device, nice headphone jack, microphone, speaker. On the left side, guys, what we got is a micro SD card slot, SIM card slot. I believe this does take a micro SD card, so that's dope. We're gonna go ahead and put a SIM card in here, guys. Just a little SIM card slot. Got a place for micro SD and a SIM card, so that's nice. Gonna go ahead and power it on. Okay, so we set up. Let's talk a little bit about this A14 5G, guys. Now I got a Verizon SIM card in here. It's pulling down 4G LTE in the house. It's a 5G phone though, guys, and most of my Verizon phones do that. I don't get 5G in my house. I'm also connected to Wi-Fi. When I first started the device up, it tried to install a lot of apps and things of that nature. I shut all that down because I don't need all the apps on this device. This is not a powerhouse device I'm going to be doing everything on, but as far as the display goes, this is a 90 Hertz display. This is a LCD display, 1080. Not a bad looking LCD display. I am accustomed to AMOLED, but for LCD display on a $200 phone, it's not bad looking at all. Now the build and the power button works really good, guys. I like the power button a lot. It's pretty fast, guys. I mean, just as far as the build goes, guys, it's plastic on the back. I'm not really too fond of this plastic. It's a funny plastic material with a funny pattern. If you can hear as I scratch, we've got a plastic frame. At first it did, for a second, it's really hard plastic. I almost feel like it might be metal, but it's not cold to the touch. It does feel like plastic. It's not super cheap, but it does feel like plastic. And the phone kind of feels a little hollow. I don't like that when phones feel a little hollow, but it is what it is for 200 bucks. Overall, I get a build of the device. Probably for a 200 buck device, I get a build of 7, honestly. The camera setup that was to be expected on a $200 phone. You got a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main shooter, then you got a macro and the depth camera. They're both 2 megapixels. The rear or the front camera max out when it comes to video at 1080p, 30 frames per second. The front facing camera is here with the teardrop, guys. I wish this phone actually, it looks like the S23 a little bit to me, but that teardrop just killed it. I wish they could have found a way to just leave the teardrop alone and just had a pinhole on the front, but I guess they got to separate this from looking too much like the S23 because more people might go for a $200 device just because it looks like a more expensive device. So we got one bottom firing speaker, guys. No stereo speakers. I'm gonna give y'all a real quick sample of what it sound like and what it looked like.
To pull this off, and there are still some software behaviors that I really do not like, but here are the basics.
So we're not gonna review this whole device in a day, guys. Like I said, my SIM card is in it. This is my little budget go-to right now that I'm trying out. So this is the unboxing, this is the setup, this is what it's gonna be looking like. This is your boy BG Samsung A14 I'm gonna be using and bringing a full review on. But thanks for watching. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.